Good evening. I am Kolkata. Thank you so much for inviting us here. And well, I'm privileged here to be in front of all of you. Thank you so much. But I honestly want to start with a bit of a confession here. Standing here is a bit surreal. I'll tell you why. Because I think some of you when I met you out, I once tried to get into this institute. Obviously, I was rejected. I wasn't as sharp as all of you sitting here. But you know what? As they say, वो CAT exam, जी हाँ वही, वो मेरी बिल्ली भी रो दे, इतना tough. So I could not crack it. But life has a sense of humor, right? I could not come here as a student, so life brought me here as a speaker. And when I look back, I say, okay, अच्छा मजाक था. चल, अब punchline बता. So I am here right now addressing all of you, bright students. But you know what? Before I talk about, and thank you Shreya for all the kind words, before I talk about my success, and I would like to believe that I've had some success, but before I talk about that, I want to talk a bit about my background, where I came from. I come from a very ordinary middle-class background. No, I don't want to give you those three-idiot kind of stories, not that background, कि बेटा घर में रोटी नहीं आ रही है, कैसे होगा? इतना भी पुअर नहीं था, लेकिन वो उस तरीके का बैकग्राउंड था जहाँ पर अगर आप रूम का अगर लाइट ऑन करके अगर बाथरूम पे चले जाओ तो आवाज़ आती थी, बिजली का बिल क्या पापा भरेंगे? That was of course my father, and I knew कि पापा भरना तो आपको ही है अभी. Those kind of background where no matter what I purchased, हमेशा सुनने में यही मिलेगा कि बगल वाली दुकान पे सस्ता मिल जाता, 2 रुपए. वहाँ क्यों नहीं पूछा? And where your parents' motivation is, पढ़ ले बेटा वरना वो न्यूज़ अंकल दिख रहे हैं ना जो न्यूज़ पढ़ रहे हैं वही बनना पड़ेगा. Here I am, वही बन गया मैं. तो पढ़ तो नहीं पाया मैं, लेकिन फिर भी ठीक ठाक लाइफ में होपफुली ठीक ठाक सक्सेस तो अचीव हो ही गई. बट पता क्या है, दैट बैकग्राउंड जो मेरा था, इट डिडंट गिव मी एनी प्रिविलेज. आई एम श्योर अ लॉट ऑफ यू कम फ्रॉम सिमिलर बैकग्राउंड, एंड आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू, मोस्ट ऑफ यू परहैप्स have had some kind of struggle. But that background gave me humility, and it taught me my first lesson that when you don't start with privilege, you have to start with courage. And that's what I had. Growing up, I had a lot of courage. I had this confidence in me that no matter what happens, I'll do something good for me. So much so that, even when I scored. Okay, let me ask you this. How many of you got less than 90% in your 12th year? Okay, a fairly good number of students. How many of you got less than 80? Okay, just 3. Oh, wow. How many of you in your graduation, okay, got less than 70? 70 percentile. Okay. Less than 60? शर्म की बात नहीं है, अगर हाई पे तो हाथ उठा दो, कोई नहीं लेंगे ही नहीं आईएम वाले, है ना? I got 45% in my graduation, and I say that I got 45% not as something to be proud of, and I don't tell all of you that 45% लेके आओ. Please वो मत करना. Just because I was lucky doesn't mean that all of you will be lucky. But what I'm trying to say is I got 45% in my graduation. And honestly, I did crack CAT. I went to the interview round, but obviously, with that kind of background, reject तो होना ही था. So इसके लिए, I am Lucknow by the way, for interview, and obviously I was rejected there. But what I'm trying to say is कि it doesn't matter. अगर आपके पास confidence है कि कुछ ना कुछ तो आप कर ही लोगे. So after years, I've been in this industry now for 22 years. After 22 years, I have realized one thing, that, and this is what I want to tell all of you here, that failures don't delay. Don't decide your life. They might delay your gratification. They might delay what you want to achieve. But early failures, they do not and should not derail you. Now I want to talk about something, I mean, the punchline here is कि आपका आज का failure कल की success story का सबसे बड़ा turning point बन सकता है. That is the most important thing that I learned while growing up. अच्छा, बहुत लोगों से बात हो रही थी जब मैंने मीडिया में एंटर किया था 2003 में, मुझे अभी तक याद है, February 2003 is when I entered media. Those days were different. Those days 9 o'clock news used to be sensible and not what it is today. And those were the days when we didn't have, you know, YouTube or digitization or anything. We literally used to have tapes. और अगर कुछ भी करना वो टेप पे होता था, सब कुछ टेप पे होता था. और टेप्स भी क्या होता था, अगर बॉम्बे में किसी चीज़ की रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है तो उस समय वो बॉम्बे वाला टेप फिर कहीं जाता था. उस समय ये ओबी अभी तो हमारे पास लाइव है, ये कहीं भी टेलीकास्ट हो सकता है, वो कुछ नहीं होता था उस समय. उस समय एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू डू मैनुअली. सो आई हैव सीन दोज काइंड ऑफ मीडिया वर्ल्ड एज वेल. तो आई डिड एवरीथिंग फॉर अ सैलरी ऑफ 10,000 रुपीज़. 10,000 रुपीज़ वॉज माई सैलरी. आज की डेट में ऑब्वियसली उतनी आई एम श्योर कि आपका जब आप एम कर रहे होगे कि आपका एक दिन का खर्चा हो, दैट्स व्हाट यू विल एम, राइट, व्हेन यू ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम IIM Calcutta. सो नो फैंसी डिग्री, नो बिग कॉन्टैक्ट्स, no fancy IIM Calcutta designation that I carried. But I had one thing in me. I wanted to be successful. And I saw that as an opportunity. I did everything there. I did research. I did guest coordination. I did reporting. I did tapes. And I did everything. जो भी मुझे बोला गया, मैंने किया. यहाँ तक कि एक दिन आया जब मेरे एडिटर ने कहा कि आज तुम्हें एंकरिंग करनी है. आई वाज टेकन अबैक. आई वाज इन माय शॉर्ट्स विद नो शेव एंड नथिंग. आई सेड क्यों? बोले क्योंकि कोई और है नहीं, सब छुट्टी पे, तो आज तुमको एंकरिंग करनी है. सो द पॉइंट हियर इज दैट आई वाज देयर व्हेन द अपॉर्चुनिटी केम. एंड दैट्स फॉर मी द मोस्ट फैसिनेटिंग बिट, बिकॉज व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड I never thought ki I'll go on and become an anchor. I just went to a news channel because I love doing stock market research. That was my passion. That's what I used to do. And then this opportunity came for me. And why did it come for me? Because I was there. My seniors saw me that this is a guy who comes in every day at 6:30 in the morning, stays till 10 o'clock in the evening. One reason also being because if you came early, in media companies, if you came early and stayed till late, you get free breakfast and free dinner. So that was also a motivation for me. But that aside, I mean, jokes aside, I genuinely loved what I was doing. So, you know, it's like people notice me कि यार ये कुछ तो है इसके अंदर, हर जगह पहुंच जाता है. टेप करानी है उसको करा लो, गेस्ट कोऑर्डिनेशन कराना है इसको करा लो, रिसर्च करानी है इसको करा लो. So I used to do everything, and that is where. So success is like eating dal chawal every day. It's not like doing something fancy. It's like boring consistency every day. So this is what I tell people when they ask me about all the glamour that they see. You would have seen a lot of that play out. Don't chase the glamour, chase the grind. Because grind is what is in your hand. Glamour तो बाद में आ जाएगा. और glamour आज है. And I'm not being, immodest here, but now we have a lot of glamour. But वो कहाँ से आया है? क्योंकि हमने grind बहुत किया. Really, a lot of grind. That's why I said, you know, one day I was just sitting and my editor told me that you have to anchor today. So I did it. I mean, not anchor, it was just a small capsule. I still have that video saved of my first link on derivatives market in India, and enjoyed that. So my big break didn't come because I was extraordinary. As I've already told you, I got 45% mark in my graduation. I got 63% marks in my 10th class, and I got 68% marks in my 12th class. So I was a fairly average student. And despite all of that, I managed to reach where I was. That's because of my perseverance. I mean, looking back, I wish I had that perseverance while I was a student as well. But while I was a student, I was busy enjoying other things rather than studying. So maybe my journey got a bit delayed, but that's okay. So, you know, in media, I've realized one thing, that you need to win small. So every day I would try to, win small. I would try to go after something, some story here, there, or something. And someday, you land up a big story, and that would define you. So that's what I did in my media career. And as I said, you have to be ready for the opportunity. And right now, obviously, you are students. You'll go out soon into the corporate world. Opportunities will come, but you need to be there to grab them. And I grabbed all my opportunities. Whenever the opportunity came, I grabbed them. That is something which I did. Now, you know what? This is what is really close to my heart. Why I feel privileged here? Because I could not enter IIM Calcutta as a student. But here I am as a speaker. And let me tell you this, honestly, I am addressing an audience. Each one of you is going to be more successful than I am. And maybe much earlier than I achieved success. All of you, every single one of you is going to be more successful than I am. And I don't say this out of humility. I say this with facts. Because all of you are sharper than me. All of you are obviously much better students than me. And all of you are starting your life perhaps 20 steps ahead of me. Because when I was your age, there were limited opportunities. India was still a developing country. We are still a developing country, but we are very fast on our way to become a developed country. And you know what? I want all of you to look around you. You are in the company of future CXOs, future creators, perhaps a future Mark Zuckerberg as well. Who knows? One of you might do that. And who knows? One of you I might be chasing in 20 years. Please give me an interview. It's possible. I believe that, actually, that one of you, or maybe more than one of you, would actually go there and achieve that. That is the kind of India that we are building now. Successful, hungry, and, with a great demographic dividend. We are where, say, Japan was 40 years ago, or US was 60 years ago. China was, say, 30 years ago. All of them now, obviously, China at the cusp of being a developed country, other two already developed country, and hopefully, by the time you reach my age, all of you will be part of a developed country. So it's a golden decade that you're entering, and I just want you to tell you few things which your course book won't tell you. Focus on the softer skills while you are taking education. While all these accounting, balance sheet, finance, marketing, all of this is important. What is going to be most important is, I don't know if you have these topics. In my time, there used to be something called organizational behavior. There used to be something called business communication. And there used to be something called human relations or something, human resource management or something. I used to do really well in accounting and all these topics, but I never used to give importance to all these three topics: business communication, organizational behavior, and HR. And that is where my professor, who is now at IIM Nagpur, he had a frank discussion with me. He said, Anuj, look, if you want to do well in life, if you want to be in leadership position, forget about these accounting, economics. You might need them, but hand on heart, like, how many of you are engineers here? जब जॉब में जाओगे ना, आपको लगेगा कि क्यों किया है 4 साल वेस्ट. वो एक टॉपिक काम नहीं आने वाला वहां पर इंजीनियरिंग का. सो जो टॉपिक्स काम आएंगे वो टॉपिक्स होंगे सॉफ्ट स्किल. हाउ यू डील विद पीपल, हाउ यू मैनेज ईगो ऑफ योर बॉस, हाउ यू मैनेज some of your most talented young people who might be having some ego or something. That will matter a lot while you are growing up. I mean, honestly speaking, am I the best anchor in my channel? Perhaps not. Definitely not. Am I the best reader of the market? Definitely not. But still, I am where I am because I managed to conquer those soft skills. I think that is very important. Some truths, and I have written these so that I don't forget. Some truths from a not-so-IIM journey. Number 1, don't fear failure, fear regret. Because IIMs ने मुझे reject किया, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मेरी लाइफ खत्म हो गई. That's okay, part and parcel of life. Truth two, your background is your story, not your destiny. Middle class is not a limitation, it's actually a launch pad. And truth three, I think this is very important for all of you. Success is a zigzag, it's not a straight line. I have had a lot of setbacks. I've had a lot of setbacks in my life. There was a time when I thought my career is over, and I genuinely felt that, okay, I am gone, but it was a painful period in my life, but I managed to overcome that. And I mean, it pushed me back a few years, but I still managed to come back and come back stronger. So that will happen. And trust me, all of you will make mistakes in life. I have made many mistakes in life. And वो तो आप करेंगे गलतियां तो, और हमेशा कहते हैं कि दूसरी गलती से सीखो, फिर भी अपनी गलतियां तो करेंगे. लेकिन just don't make those mistakes which are career threatening or something which will, you know, make you regret making those mistakes. Small mistakes all of us make. Just don't make any big mistakes. And I just want to say one last thing. Perhaps 20 years from now, I'll proudly say that I was once in a gathering of some bright students, some of who managed to go on to become CXOs, CEOs, founders, creators, everything in their life. Just stay humble, just stay humble. And I want to end by saying just a couple of lines. ये मैंने लिखी हैं वैसे, थोड़ा सा टफ था, लेकिन क्योंकि जो मेरे को एंकर हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छा लिखते हैं, मैंने सोचा था उनसे पूछ लेता हूँ, लेकिन फिर मैं कहा कि उसमें थोड़ा सा फिर अपनापन नहीं रहेगा, ये मैंने लिखी है. मंजिल उनको मिलती है जिनके हौसले जिंदा होते हैं, वरना रास्ते तो हर किसी के घर तक जाते हैं. So, thank you so much. I am Calcutta. It was an honor to be here. And sorry. Thank you so much, and thanks for being a lovely audience. Thank you so much.